Okay, real talk. Whether you like it or not, most editors are still burning hours on things that AI can crank out in seconds. If you're not using the tools I'm about to walk you through, you're already a step behind. Meanwhile, editors who embrace these AI helpers are speeding through projects, delivering cleaner work, and honestly, making more money. So let me break down the 7 AI tools every editor should be using, and how one of them, Vizard, fits into a modern workflow in a way that actually feels natural, not like some robotic shortcut. First up, the one you probably expected, Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, they've been adding smart features, auto cuts, silence detection, auto transcription, all useful. But here's the thing, even with Premiere's new frame search and content-aware tools, you're still in the mindset of manually digging through hours of footage. Premiere's search UI is a game changer for finding exact clips inside your bins, and that absolutely shaves time. But it's still a timeline-first workflow. It's powerful but pricey, heavyweight, and can be overkill if your whole goal is pumping out lots of short, shareable clips from long-form content. That's where you layer smarter tools on top. Which brings me to the second tool I want to shout out, short-form specific editors like Submagic and a few others. I tried a bunch, and most felt like they were cutting with a blindfold on. Generic robotic cuts, the same templated animations repeated across thousands of creators. Submagic actually surprised me. More customization, presets that don't look cookie cutter, and the ability to add B-roll automatically. That said, these tools often lock you into a certain aesthetic. If you want a consistent brand kit and unique cadence, you still need a hands-on step. They're great for volume, not always great for distinctive voice. This is where Vizard starts to stand out. Vizard automatically finds viral-worthy moments in long videos and turns them into ready-to-post clips, but it doesn't force you into bland templates. You can customize styles, keep your signature edits, and then let the platform auto-schedule posts across socials. The content calendar lets you organize, tweak, and publish from one place, and the scheduling means you don't babysit uploads. It's like having an assistant who knows what to clip and when to post, without stealing your creative control. Third in my stack, Runway. This one's nuts. Their Gen 2 models and in-painting object removal features save me from more client meltdowns than I can count. If a distracting object ruins a shot, instead of painstaking rotoscoping in After Effects, you mask it, and the AI fills the background across the clip. Magic! Runway is also leaning into AI-generated video, which is wild and kind of the future, but it's not the everyday solution for most editors. It's expensive to scale for full projects and sometimes needs fine-tuning. For cleanup and certain VFX tasks, though, it's brilliant. Fourth, audio. Bad audio is the silent project killer. Adobe Enhanced Speech and similar tools can rescue dialogue recorded in sketchy environments. The trick is moderation. Crank it up all the way and voices get robotic. Dial it back to the 70–80% sweet spot and you get clean, natural-sounding speech. That alone has saved me hours of noise gates, spectral edits, and client explanations. Still, it's another tool in the chain, rather than a full workflow fix. Fifth is for when the footage itself is rough. Topaz Video AI is the one I reach for to upscale, denoise, and even create smooth slow motion from low frame rate clips. I've turned grainy 720 files into watchable 4K-ish footage and made 24 FPS shots behave like high-frame slow-mo. It's powerful, but it's also a separate step. You export, run it through Topaz, and bring it back. It's incredible for salvaging media, but it adds another export cycle and can be hardware-intensive. Sixth, and you might be surprised by this one, is ChatGPT. Not a video editor itself, but a huge productivity multiplier. For me, ChatGPT handles the gaps, writing After Effects expressions, suggesting motion graphic logic, drafting social captions, brainstorming hooks, and even producing editing checklists. I prompt it for step-by-step instructions on animations I don't know how to code, paste the expression, tweak a bit, and boom. Pro motion without learning everything from scratch. It's not replacing craft, it's elevating it. Seventh, for scripting, Poppy AI has been a revelation compared to the generic script generators out there. Poppy's approach, building boards of creator styles and feeding that context into the assistant, makes scripts sound human, not robotic. It helps you keep voice, rhythm, and pacing intact while giving you a structure that actually hooks viewers. Okay, so that's the lineup. Premiere, Resolve, Submagic-like short editors, Runway, Adobe Enhanced Speech, Topaz, ChatGPT, and Poppy. They each solve specific problems. But here's how I actually put them together with Vizard, and why Vizard should be on your shortlist if you do long-form to short-form content. Most editors think transcribe, find moments, edit, animate, export, upload. That's 6 separate steps. Vizard collapses several of those steps. It auto-detects the high engagement moments, the exact stuff you'd sift for manually, formats clips for different aspect ratios, and gives you editable short clips with captions and basic motion. Crucially, Vizard's viral clip detection is tuned for what actually performs on social platforms, not just loud moments, but context-rich bites that cut well on mobile. Then, instead of saving a folder and manually scheduling posts, Vizard can auto-schedule based on your cadence and manage a content calendar right in the platform. Compare that to other tools. Submagic might generate a decent short, but you still need a publishing system. Premiere gives you full control, but asks you to do the grunt work. Runway and Topaz are magic for fixes, but they're point solutions. Poppy and ChatGPT are perfect for script and caption ideas, but they don't touch publishing. Vizard sits in the sweet spot between clip discovery, quality short creation, and actual distribution. It reduces context switching, which is where most time gets eaten. Now, a few real-world examples. I had a client with a 2-hour interview. In the old world, I did transcribe, hunt for 30-40 usable one-liners, export, tweak motion for each, and then cue them manually. Took me days. With Vizard, I let it find the top moments. It cut and formatted multiple variations, and I used its calendar to schedule 2 weeks of daily posts in under an hour. The engagement was consistent and the client loved it, because I could show a clear posting strategy. I still used Runway to remove a distracting mic stand in one clip, and Topaz to upscale a grainy B-roll shot. But those were quick targeted fixes, not the whole project. A common question is, does this make videos feel robotic or lose personality? The short answer? No, if you use it right. Treat Vizard like a junior editor who can do repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Find clips, rough cut, format, schedule. Then you step in for the magic touches, the brand voice, the nuanced motion, the final sound polish. That hybrid approach keeps your creative fingerprint while letting you scale. Pricing and accessibility matter too. Premiere and some pro VFX tools lock you into subscriptions or expensive plugins. Runway and Topaz can add costs per clip or per export. Vizard's model is geared toward creators scaling content. You get the automation and the publishing pipeline without having to stitch 5 separate tools together every day. That's not to say Vizard replaces all of them. It complements them. Use Runway for the tough VFX, Topaz when you need to rescue terrible footage, and Adobe for deep audio work. Use ChatGPT and Poppy for scripting and captions. Use Vizard for the core short clip workflow and publishing engine. If you want to get faster, build systems, and actually make short-form content that performs without losing creative control. Layering these tools is how you do it. Start with Vizard as the backbone, clip discovery, quick editing, scheduling, calendar. Plug in the specialists where needed. You'll save hours every week, deliver projects faster, and be able to take on more clients without burning out. I've set up links to the tools I mentioned in the description so you can check them out. There are promo deals sometimes, so poke around. And if you're serious about leveling up as an editor, learning storytelling, building a profitable editing business, and working with clients you actually enjoy, there are a few communities and courses I recommend. I'll link those too. But even without paid training, adopting these tools and building a repeatable system will put you miles ahead. Bottom line, the landscape is changing fast. Editors who resist will get stuck doing manual grunt work. Editors who combine creative skill with smart AI tools, especially something that handles both clip creation and publishing like Vizard, are the ones who'll scale, earn more, and actually enjoy editing again. I'm rooting for you. Try layering Vizard into your workflow and see how many hours you reclaim. Thanks for watching, and go make something sick.